English version, class 5, chapter 2, mathematics, number 12. The sum of age of mother and their son is 45 years. The mother is 4 times of the son. How old of mother and son? Here told the mother is 4 times then the son. The sum of a is equal to m and a is equal to 45. That means mother and son is equal to 45. And the things, the relation mother is 4 times than the son. That means m equal to 4 into s, 4 times the son. Then so we can write 4s plus s equal to 45, or 5s equal to 45, or s equal to 9. Then m equal to 4s, 4 into 9, 36. So mother is 36 here and son is 9 years. Thank you.